Hi, it's Mark from SMS-iT. In this video, I'm going to be showing a quick overview of SMS-iT and all its amazing feature features. So let's get started. First, I'm going to sign in right now. And I'm going to sign in to the cloud version. Now the cloud version and the decentralized version are very different. The cloud version does not have the gateway, while the decentralized version has the gateway. I'm signing right in, and now I'm at the dashboard. Right here at the dashboard, I got all data that I actually need, and it's powered by artificial intelligence and automation. All data related to subscribers, whatever I do, it's right here. I could also go ahead and just subscribe for whatever I wanted. My secondary numbers are right here. I actually got two numbers in this account. And here I could see that that's been seen. I could subscribe for packages right here. Now, if I wanted to upgrade, right now I'm using a pay and go plan. If I wanted to upgrade, if I click right here, I could see all the monthly plans, the OTC plans, which are the one-time code plans. They different because when you buy this plan, you actually make this platform generate and validate one-time codes or OTP codes for your applications or whatever you need it for. And here you got the pay-as-you-go plans. And if I wanted any plan, for example, if I wanted this, I could pay with my card or PayPal. And if I click right here, it comes, and I could click and subscribe. Then it goes. I'm required to put in my data, and I pay. I get subscribed. Now, if I wanted a number, example, if I had a brand new account, I would not have a new number. I got a new number. I have a number right now because I already chose one. And if I want a brand new number, if I had a brand new account, I'm just going to click here. And I'm going to search. Now I could search local numbers or toll-free numbers. I'm going to go for toll-free because I don't need to register 10 DLC for that. If I chose a local number, I'm going to register 10 DLC for that. So let's say local. If I chose a number and I can't find it, I'm going to search again for another number. And I would find it. When I click right here, get this number, I get the number automatically. Now, at the top right here, I got all the credits that I have. I currently have about 100 for tests and so on. And here I got my leads. If I click on the leads now, it's going to take me straight to my small database where I got access to 1.6 billion records to choose from. I don't have the records now because I don't have no monthly package. I need that. And right here, you can see the people. Normally, I'm supposed to see a lot of records, but I don't have that access now. What's lovely is that I could also bring in my data, right? I could just bring in my data and use my data. And what's also super important is that this helps me get explicit consents from folks so I could send messages to them because I need to always follow the rules and regulations, the TCPA. I cannot create a pipeline right now because of one reason: I haven't paid. So I'm going to go back to my page, and it brings me right here. So when I upgrade to a monthly package, then I can access the pipelines and other things. Just the pipelines only. Every other thing can actually be accessed. The last reasons, the consents, activities, my calendar view, what I'm doing, and it's all related just to my list now. And if I wanted to go back, so I'm going to go back to the cloud because I was at the cloud when I came right here. Now, right at the top, what's important is that I could see all the data right here of the folks. Whoever sends me messages, here are my voicemails, here are my faxes, and here I got my accounts. If I wanted a voicemail, that whoever calls me, go hear the voicemail, I could put a message right here. And here is my incoming fax number if I wanted to receive faxes. I could put my fax number right here. I mean, if I wanted to choose a number to receive faxes, so I'm just going to choose any number that I have because I actually have two. I could choose this one, and if I click on update, it becomes my fax number, and that's it right here. But then I cannot use this number to get voice calls too. That's super important. Now here, I could change my password very easily. Here are the settings. Super important. I could have birthday captures, so I could capture birthdays of my users, my subscribers, so I could send messages properly. Incoming SMS alerts, I could have that on email, SMS. I could have a call forward number right here. The number right here. So whenever I send a message, whenever the message goes out, it shows the number I put here. And here are the native integrations when it comes to email marketing. So here I got MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, and Sendinblue. And I already have that integrated here, and it's super easy to actually have that. You just sign in. Here are the sub accounts if I wanted other folks, my organizations to use my account. And here on every page, I have this action button that enables me to actually perform a lot of text right there on that page easily. So always watch out for it, okay? Action button right here. And here I got the API, the programmable API. If I click on this, my API key changes. Now, with my API, I could integrate and extend all functionalities of SMS-iT directly into the blockchain, into the Metaverse, into my IoT applications or my normal business applications. And if I wanted to, let's say, add contacts, it's right here. Here is the example call. If I wanted OTP, I believe it's right here. So here is to validate OTP, and here is to generate OTP. And here are the example calls. And just with this, I could have that into a smart contract. So whenever an individual or user sends a cryptocurrency to that smart contract, that individual receives a receipt directly. It's automated just because I use this simple example code gets triggered. Then here, importantly, is the 10 DLC for local numbers. You register your brand here. You register your campaigns that you want to send with your 10 DLC numbers. On every page, you actually have this question mark. When you put your mouse over it, it tells you what to do. Gives you a lot of help. And of course, it's a fee. It's $44 one time, and it's recurring $30 every quarter for your 10 DLC numbers. Now, when it comes to this section of the screen, we got tutorials. We have the decentralized version. I'm using the cloud version right now, so I'm not using that. We have the search database. I was already there. We got the smart campaign. It's still in beta version, so I wouldn't even go there right now. Now, groups and keywords, super important. Here, once again, the actions. I could create groups, and when I create that group, and I put in the keyword, let's say join 3, whoever sends join 3 to my number automatically gets subscribed into this group and also receives this message that's right here. You need to type it in, okay? It's not happening right now. And, and that individual could actually get opted in or double opted in and also gets notified of the signups. And here is how I could use keywords easily in an unlimited way, because I could create a lot of groups and I could then use that in the metaverse or my website or any ad material that I want to use. And here, of course, I got all my contacts. So if I want to manage my contacts right here, I could add contacts, export all my contacts. I could input contacts, thousands of them. But it's always advisable that you actually do that with 25,000 maximum at the maximum. Then it's super easy. Here, if I want to send messages, say I want to send bulk messages to single, actually the same though. So here, I could choose my number. That one, I could send messages as a group, as contacts by selecting a lot of contacts or whatever. But directly, I could just put in a number. No plus sign. I could select the message template that I created and the message template section, and it appears here. Or a mobile splash page that I created. And I could post it also on Facebook by checking that this box right here. And I could send an SMS message, an MMS message, which of course is an image, and the message to, or OTP. Here I could automatically, with this code here, send this recipient a code, an OTP code that he or she could actually validate for security. And here is the stop to opt out message. I could edit it. It's important that you actually put stop right there so folks could actually unsubscribe. Here, I could use number pool. I could use sticky headers. I could do geo matching. I could just use my toll-free numbers. Here is setting throttle. I could increase the sending speed. And right here, I could schedule messages right into the future. If I didn't want to send right now, I could send it right in the future whenever I wanted. I could also put the hours however I wanted. Also, once I send the message and I wanted to see what happens, if I send to a group, I could come right here. I could see the logs. I could see what's being scheduled. I could just send them directly right here. The same thing also for the contacts. And right here, because it's to create all the message templates that I talked about. So you click right here, and I could just create a brand new template very easily. So when I wanted to send a message, like right here, I could just come and select a template and it appears here. Now here, everything I schedule, I'm going to see right here, or wherever I send, I see right here on the calendar, everything the past and the future ever been sent. And I could do a lot of actions. Then if I wanted to do two-way messaging, just like your phone, I would come right here, choose my number, just leave it. send the message, and it goes to the individual. Example, I could say, hey bro. So it's gonna get sent, and then right here I could wait, and when it gets sent, you just hold that. So that's the message, and it's gonna say delivered. That's it. Then I could send a message back, a response from my phone, and it's going to appear right here. And that's the message. It says right here. And if I want to see the message, I could refresh, or I could just wait. But that's it right here. And it just came. And it also showed here. And it came twice because I actually had the message sent. And also, I just sent another one that said hi without refreshing the page, and it came. And I could send another one that says hello on my phone, and without refreshing, it comes hello. And then I could do a lot of things. I could search here. I could do a lot of things. Importantly, I got my appointments here. So I could create appointments. Have a look at my appointment list. Add new appointments. Have a look at my appointment calendar. Create new ones. Import new appointments. So I could be on top of my game when it comes to managing all my users. And here is the voice broadcast. If I want to send a voice broadcast right now, after clicking action, I come right here. I could select the group that I want to send messages to. I could say, hello, how are you? How are you, Mark? And I could decide to send that. So let's see. You could send that, and then you go and receive. So let's say come right here to have a look at what I have in tests. That's this number, right? Okay, let's try. Send the voice broadcast now to test and say, hello, how are you, Henry? And I decide to send it. Then I could click on right here. I could choose whatever language I wanted. Choose the number that I wanted to go from. I do not want to schedule it in the future. I want to do it now. No forward number. I could send it, and it's sent. Now that's that's it right here. It's ringing. So I'm gonna pick it up.
Hello, how are you, Henry? Please press 2 to be added to the do not call list.
So simple. Now let's go to the fast broadcast. If I wanted to actually do this, first I need to make sure that my contact actually has an email address and a fax number. So I could just click right here and send my email. That's because I already configured my email services. Remember, right here, you could use whichever one you wanted. Now I could send faxes too. So easy. Then right here, I could use the small tools, especially for the metaverse, my projects, my app, my business, IoT, blockchain. All the responders are right here. To add new ones, automatic responders. You could create polls. Remember to always check this to know what each field is. You could create contests too, especially in the metaverse. It's so lovely. This helps you build up your subscribers list. Here are Q&A bots, automated. You could use automatically make sales, automatically build your list. Responses could be HTTPs, where folks click and place orders directly in your website, right from the metaverse, wherever. Here, you got coupons that you could create, which is so lovely. Information, the contents, the business information, the redemption settings. Here you got your loyalty programs. Right here, you got your KISS builder, important for the metaverse too. Digitally so easily collect a lot of data from them, pre-market to them, sell to them, succeed easily. Here are the wishes. So you want to wish everybody a happy birthday automatically. You do that, especially when you've had all the data collected from your kiosk. And then you got the page builders that you would want to use, right? That goes to folks as a complete HTML message. Meanwhile, it's an SMS message. This is how you build your RCS messages very easily. This is for RCS. Says whatever you want, which here could just be the HTML codes. Right here, we have the web sign up widgets. It's lovely for the metaverse. So you could build that list very easily. Folks could sign up. QR codes to sell your products. It's integrated with SMS, phone, email, WhatsApp, Skype, Zoom, Wi-Fi, PayPal to sell. Buying our buttons. You could also sell with Bitcoin. Create message. You could create Zoom meetings, especially to have folks book appointments with specialists in your company. Skype also, and it's so excellent because you could create branded QR codes. Example, if I wanted to come right here and put in my code, my logo in the middle, or any image I wanted, I could click right here. Let's see, I click on right here, right here. Just do that. And I wanted to, let's say, create a link. I could just take this link right here, generate, and that's it. So imagine with my logo, it's going to be here. It's so beautiful. It's not just QR code, it's a branded QR code. Here I could create short links. I do one right here, for example. To create short links right here. And that whole link here, just join it to this short link. Telling you how many clicks. So here you could actually do analytics now. So if you wanted analytics, if you wanted to know how many folks clicked on your links, you would have to come right here, create a short link here, and then you could see how many folks click on that link. And it's so easy. And here is the non-JSON tracker. So you could know if your message has an issue with it. and pay lesser. Here are your logs, which logs all data. You got your log types for messages you send. Here are your reports. All activities you've been doing. Here is your affiliate page. As a user, you got an affiliate code. I only got the page you go, so I only have the referral code. Once I subscribe for a monthly package, I'm going to get the referral code and I get 20% every month. It's a lot. And here I could see everybody that actually registered with my affiliate link. Here I could get support. And this rounds up this overview video. See you in the next video. Bye now.